Okay, you're going to get a little extra bonus lesson because I did a little cheat as I was cleaning up this panda bear here. I wanted to show you the little cheat. We'll talk more about it when we get to color, but just to give you some idea, there are times where you're going to want to trim that background back, and let's just go, for example, over here, where I wanted to get rid of some of the color here, or maybe a little bit of that ear, make it a little more rounder. And we'll go to the color. We don't have eraser here once we have tone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down my finger on the background, and you'll see you get a little circle. That changes the color, as you can see in the upper right corner, to the color of the background. And then you just paint in the color of the background. So I can paint out some of this garbage I have here, and I can trim down my panda a little bit more here, maybe get rid of some of this ear stuff. So if you want to get some more cleaner lines, particularly when they start getting too fuzzy here, you can do that. And then what you do is you go back to the same way, is you can just hold down your finger on a really dark area, and that'll get you at least close to where color is, or of course you can just go to the palette and pick it directly. And then you're back to your color. So I just wanted to add that in there so that you can do a little bit of trimming, which is what I did on my panda, as I got him a little more cuter with making his head a little bit leaner.